print out the document and fold into a brochure. First, you need to install the correct print driver. Prepare a document to be printed and folded. Note that the paper and cassette must be placed horizontally. Please click to the link on upper right to view the detail. The video demonstration is a tri-fold PDF file. After opening the document, enter to the printing interface. Click Properties. Select Finishing Page. Turn on the tri-fold function. After select the Require Fold settings, click OK and return to the printing interface. Finally, click Print to start the printing.